Welcome everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Roblox unexpected behavior error, aka error code 268. It's going to be quite simple, so follow with me and don't hesitate to support us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. And now let's get into it. So as you can see, I'm in my desktop and the first solution that I would try is the command prompt. So start by going to the search box in the bottom left corner and type in command prompt, as you can see right here. Now go ahead and open the command prompt. So the first command that we're gonna type in is the ipconfig/flush DNS and press enter. After you've done that, you will want to type in the next command, which is ipconfig/release, and then press enter. And now the last command you want to type in is ipconfig/renew and enter again. Now the last thing you will have to do is to type in exit and enter. So you can close the prompt, and that was the first solution. Now try to relaunch Roblox, and if this didn't work out, let's try the second one. Second solution is to try to uninstall and install Roblox again. So first step is to right click on the Windows icon on the bottom left corner of your screen and then go all the way up and select apps and features. It will take you to this page. Now what you want to do next is to type in Roblox in the search box, and since I don't have it installed currently, I'll demonstrate it using Need for Speed. So as you can see, I will type in Need for Speed and now click on it, and then select this uninstall tab, and make sure to do that with every Roblox instances that appeared, including Roblox Studio. Now go ahead to your browser and visit the official Roblox website and then install it again from there. And if this didn't work out either, let's try the third solution. The solution is to clear the Roblox cache, and now what you want to do is to go down to the search box in the bottom left corner and type in run. Then click on this run system, and it will bring up a box in the bottom left corner, as you can see. Now what you want to do next is to type in the following: %local up data, and now another %, and then go ahead and press OK. Now locate the folder named Roblox by pressing the R letter in your keyboard, and once you find it, go ahead and delete it, as you can see. And once you do that, any unnecessary data will be deleted. Now go ahead and try to relaunch Roblox, and hopefully it will work out. Now that was all. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was useful, and see you in the next one.